Bob Wilkes here with Trim-A-Slab Basics. Hey, Trim-A-Slab is that flexible material that you can press in and replace those rotted expansion joints. It is made from UV stabilized, inhibited, flexible PVC. PVC is the same type of material used for window frames and gutters. This is the flexible form of that material. Great for exterior applications. You will find 3 different colors: a concrete matching gray, a black, which is kind of a low maintenance, won't show dirt, and a walnut if you're trying to match a stained concrete or exposed aggregate type finish. You're going to get a multiple size options from down to a pencil width all the way up to a 2x4 on edge. You can check our website for the latest sizes, but as of today, you can go from 3/16 up to 1 3/8 and anywhere in between. You will also find various lengths depending on what size you're selecting, and also check the website for the latest availability there. Those lengths are changing, and as we add new products all the time. Now, how does Trim-A-Slab work? Well, it's going to press in place, mostly by hand. The beam elements on the bottom are going to deflect, and they will press against the concrete, anchoring it in place. The top, which we call the crown, is now going to be the only thing you're going to see. So you press that flush against the concrete on both sides, and you're going to provide 3 weed barriers: the 2 anchoring beams plus the crown. Now, the crown will always be larger than the gap. Trim-A-Slab is sized based on the gap you are filling. So a piece of 3/4 inch Trim-A-Slab will fill a 3/4 inch gap, and if you measure it across the top, it's going to be over an inch. Now that's to make sure that Trim-A-Slab doesn't drop down in, and you'll get a nice even surface when you press in Trim-A-Slab. Now, Trim-A-Slab is made in USA. It's a patented in USA product. We've got a 5-year bumper-to-bumper warranty that includes the color, and then 10 years for structural integrity. Please go to the website for details on that. Now, you can find Trim-A-Slab in a bunch of retail stores, and always online. You can find it at trim-a-slab.com in our online store. You'll also find it at various retail online stores such as Lowe's, Home Depot, Walmart, Ace, and we add them all the time. So please check our website for the latest availability. If a retailer doesn't have it near you, you can get it shipped to your door. And that's Trim-A-Slab in a nutshell: the easiest, fastest way to repair expansion joints.